Okay guys, so today I'm deciding why the would like make a Stickman character from the YouTuber Becker. So time to go to scratch. First, create your own Stickman. You might also like to create like an animation. We'll select the red Stickman. I'm gonna select like this. Then you add like a big okay, I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna do something like this. Now time to shrink it. I just selected 10. That's enough 10. Okay. So first, I would like to add gravity. Green flag clicked forever. Change y by 10. Now gravity. Oops. I need to do a negative. I would like a 1H bounce. I'm gonna set it this. The leg problem. I'm not gonna do something like this. Maybe that's okay. So now I have to like animate a jump, and you can animate using this, but first I'm gonna copy, paste, so that I'm gonna do like something like duplicate animation 2. So let's do this. Now one space key pressed, if you're gonna do like switch costume to costume 2 with 0.2, I'm gonna duplicate switch costume to costume 3. Then if you're gonna do bags, and now you're gonna do switch costume to costume 2. Now I'm gonna give it a try. Oh yes, also the costume to costume 1. Oh yes, I forgot to add. Hi, is it gonna repeat? Wait, now I'm gonna repeat like 3 times. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna give it a try. Maybe 10. Idea plan B. Hi. It's rain. Okay, I'm gonna do something like this. do something like this. Now animation time. Maybe the second 6. Can I do it like to 6? 6. Maybe a bit more animated. Oops. I seems like maybe I need to, if this doesn't work, I'll keep continuing then, and if it does work, I still keep continuing. It's working a bit. Now time. Wait. I forgot that one on do sometimes. When we click forever. Wait for like 4. Okay. So now if we're gonna wait, that we're gonna do like maybe after 2 minutes. Wait, no. Wait, just 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna ask how many seconds in 2 minutes for my Stickman video on. Okay, then 120 120. Now I want so that now I want the touch animation. Forever if touching mouse pointer. Now let's create animation. Copy, paste. So first I'm gonna like there I want like something. Oops. There. Interesting. Now animation 2. Interesting. Then if touching, then switch costume. Wait, interesting. This is kind of slowly becoming interesting. If you're gonna do something like let's kind of do it like 5. Now we're gonna do something the opposite 5, 4. Wait, what? What just happened? What the? Maybe kind of glitch. Now I'm gonna bring it here. Opposite time. Then put it here. Now let's do the test. Testing. Wait. It's like kinda glitchy. Wait. Oh, I understand now. That's the problem. Then we're gonna work on this. Maybe no animation for if not touching. Now let's do something like book animation. I gotta bring it here. Now we're gonna like head. Wait, no, actually I wanna like, so first thing it's gonna look like here. Now animation time. Now leg animation. Oops, my bad. Wait, kind of like this, maybe something like this. Okay, now animation 2. Now this animation we're gonna do. Then we're gonna then we're gonna do, this is kind of becoming harder and harder. Why don't wait, are you okay? No, maybe I'm going to do something like this. Okay. Do this animation. I'm gonna delete it. I think you will gonna do what I'm doing. Now time to do them all opposite. Flip horizontal, 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 horizontal. Interesting. Now when green flag clicked, forever, wait for like 6 seconds. Okay, so wait for like 6 seconds. I'm gonna like it. 5 steps at a time. This is kind of big. 6, 6, 6, 7, 7. Well, let's see the animation to turn now. Maybe they're gonna do this like 12. Like, why not? Wait. It was supposed to be like 10. Where's 9? Okay. Maybe it's only 2. Maybe I would like it for the character to keep walking. 7, 10, 7, 6, minus, minus, minus. Now I'm gonna go to go. 1. Maybe I should do something like this. Interesting. Oh, 30. Now I'm gonna go to try. Can I won't even make it alive? Wait, I need to go to washroom. No, I'm back. Let's see more animation. I'll ask ChatGPT. Okay. So I'll say I did like
सेव कर ले जब करना देखो लाइट चलेगी
animation. I did like jump animation, jump animation. Okay, wait, okay, touch, walk left and right, and is
बंद कर दे इसको, लाइट चली गई है।
other animation. Okay. 20 characters. Falling animation. Length animation. Tiny. Wait. Crouch is a good idea. I'm gonna do like crouch. Reflect forever. There is like a long time it will gonna do crouch. So now we're gonna bring it gonna somewhere like here. I'm gonna bring it here. So now for this animation, it's gonna do like this. Animation. Now it's gonna do like this. It's gonna do like this. Gonna do like this. Then animation 2. Maybe I'm gonna do is something like this. I'm gonna do something like this. Now I'm gonna do something like this. Now I'm gonna do something like this. Now I'm gonna do kinda a bit weird. What the? It's gonna like now animate the position and like it to be connected. Let's do the connection. Now I'm gonna finally some interesting. Maybe this will gonna take way longer than I thought. What a weird animation. I'm gonna fix the animation a bit. So now copy, paste. Or maybe I'm gonna do it something like this. I'm gonna end. So now I'm trying to animate something like this. I'm gonna use shortcut. Then I'm gonna make like the crouch. This is way harder than you think. Oops. Where's the maybe then you're gonna like do this. Maybe I'm gonna do something like this. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna try it again. Why can't I animate it? gonna do like something like this. Okay, now I'm gonna do something like this. Copy, paste. Okay, I'm gonna do something like this. Maybe something like this. Maybe this. Okay. So first, when green flag clicked, so forever, and I'm gonna do this like very time, like 340. Okay, wait, what? 340. So it's gonna do like, it's gonna animate like 13. Maybe some seconds. 0.2. Switch costume to costume. 14 seconds to 15 seconds to 16. Oops. Seconds to 17. And also you could do anytime you're gonna do this action. Doesn't depend. And thanks for watching. See you later.